Right now, as you watch this, millions of travelers are participating in a collective form of madness. It's July 2026, and Europe is currently baking under some of the most brutal, record-breaking heat waves in human history. The thermometer is pushing past 45 degrees Celsius in Rome, Madrid, and Athens. Yet, what are the crowds doing? They are fighting. They're fighting for a 3-foot patch of sweltering sand on a crowded Mediterranean beach, paying 20 euros for a warm bottle of water, and suffocating in lines outside the Colosseum. But you're not like that. You're a contrarian. Our first stop takes us beneath the streets of Paris. While thousands wait in the blistering heat outside the Louvre, we descend 20 meters down into a silent 6 million person labyrinth, the Paris Catacombs. Here, the air is a constant 14 degrees Celsius year-round. Walk past the warning sign. Stop. This is the Empire of the Dead. And feel the immediate, refreshing chill of it. Heading east, we escape to Poland's Wieliczka salt mine. This isn't just a cave, it's an entire subterranean city carved by human hands over 9 centuries. You'll walk through colossal chambers, past underground lakes, and into the chapel of St. Kinga, a cathedral built entirely of salt, hundreds of feet beneath the surface. It is cool, sterile, and breathtakingly empty compared to Krakow's surface streets. Next, we trade natural history for geopolitical secrecy. Deep beneath the surface lies a relics of the Cold War, a massive 65,000 square foot underground bunker designed to survive a nuclear strike. Walking through these armored tunnels, the weight of the earth above you creates a profound, chilled silence. It's a sobering, fascinating, and incredibly cool refuge from the midsummer sun. In Istanbul, the air above is heavy and humid, but step down into the Basilica Cistern and you enter a sunken palace. Built in the 6th century, this massive underground reservoir holds 80,000 cubic meters of water, supported by 336 marble columns. The air is cool, damp, and filled with the gentle, soothing sound of dripping water. If you want to truly mock the summer heat wave, you go to Eisriesenwelt in Austria, the largest ice cave in the world. While the valleys below are sweating, inside this mountain is a permanent winter wonderland of towering ice sculptures and frozen palaces. It requires a hike, but the reward is total, literal isolation from the summer heat. In the heart of the Swiss Alps lies Europe's largest underground lake, Lake St. Leonard. Cruising on this black water, 300 feet below the vineyards, the silence is absolute. There are no jet skis, no screaming beachgoers, just the gentle ripple of your oars in a hidden world. Slovenia's Postojna cave is so massive, it has its own underground railway. For millions of years, water has sculpted this alien landscape. It stays a refreshing 10 degrees Celsius, allowing you to witness blind cave salamanders and towering limestone formations in perfect comfort. Perhaps the most surreal stop on our itinerary is Salina Turda in Romania. It's a theme park built inside a colossal, ancient salt mine. The contrast of futuristic neon lights against raw, dark salt walls is mesmerizing. It's the ultimate contrarian destination, an underground playground where the air is pure, salty, and wonderfully cold. While tourists crowd the beaches of mainland Portugal, we fly to the Azores to walk inside a volcano. The Gruta do Carvão is a massive lava tube stretching beneath the island. The temperature is perfectly regulated by the Earth, offering a rugged, raw look into the planet's fiery past, completely isolated from the sun. In southern Italy, where the 2026 heat wave is at its worst, the Pertosa caves offer a holy sanctuary. You navigate an underground river by boat to enter a network of caverns used since the Stone Age. It is silent, monumental, and entirely free of the crowds plaguing nearby Amalfi. For the ultimate tactical escape, secret Cold War naval bases carved directly into coastal mountains offer unparalleled shelter. Massive blast doors reveal hidden canals built to hide submarines from satellite view. Walking these concrete docks beneath hundreds of feet of solid granite provides a profound sense of isolation. We end our journey in Mallorca, Spain. Just a few hundred yards above this spot, tens of thousands of tourists are packed onto scorching beaches. But down here, in the caves of Drach, we are sitting in a cool, dark amphitheater facing Lake Martel. As a boat carrying a classical quartet glides across the water playing Chopin, you realize the truth. The real luxury of travel isn't found in the sun. It's found in the shade. This is the essence of cool tourism. It's a rejection of the standard travel brochure. When the world tells you to go up, you go down. When the crowd rushes to the coast, you seek the core. By swapping overcrowding for natural subterranean air conditioning, you don't just escape the heat of 2026, you escape the noise. You experience destinations that feel untouched, ancient, and deeply exclusive. So the next time you plan a summer getaway, leave the beach towel behind. Pack a flashlight, grab a jacket, and dare to look beneath the surface. Where is your ultimate escape this summer? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more contrarian travel strategies. Until next time, stay cool. For more information like this, like, comment, share, and subscribe.